excuse me, I'm taking this U-joint off. It's got this little plasticky looking thing there. That's some sort of glue, or I'm not sure what. But what you gotta do is you gotta torch it and melt it. Yeah, can you tell this U-joint was done? Yeah, look at that right there. Anyways. See that, it's oozing out. Coming out this side. There we go, a whole bunch came out now. Socket, rubber mallet. Holy smokes. It's fairly impressive. Well, it's starting to come now. It's just starting to separate there. Right there. You see that it's pushed out a little bit. It's fighting pretty hardcore though. There you have it. I just figured this out. A guy told me I needed to torch them. So Yeah. There may be a better way. You could check YouTube for better ways, but this way it worked. Or is working. I've got one left. And this is for 2001 Chevy Suburban with a 5.3 4L60E, and it's a 4x4. So if it has those little plastic looking things on there, that's what you got to do. And then you got to get universal joints that have the snap ring on the inside like this. Got those ones. Those ones. All right. I'm gonna continue.